Okay, now we have the last step, which is to bring this to the dashboard. Okay, we're going to do like this. We're going to copy this and we go to the dashboard. We're going to paste this here. Okay, and in the dashboard here you see, we're going to make it like this. We'll soon change this, put it here. Slicer settings, yeah, it's okay. Okay, size and properties. Okay, size is like this. Here we are. Gonna save this, and now you see that we're going to have also this change according. We have also per region now the change. So we have an amazing dashboard. I'm gonna close this. Okay, you can do your evaluation if you want. Okay, for fill, I'll leave it white. Okay, and we created our dashboard. It's a complete dashboard. As you can see, I can also extend this. Okay, make it like this. This a bit smaller. This and this. Again, options. Align the background of all these to white. Okay, so we have this effect, and this one will be this gray. No, it's too much. This one. Okay, even this. Here we are. Okay, so we format like this. We select this. We go to options. We're gonna create new sliders, or we're going to use this, but we're gonna modify and select items with data format. We have this one, and select the item with data. We are going to have this color here. Okay, so here we are. The same is for this. Options. I'm gonna use the custom here. Okay, we customize also our slicer. Very simple. Okay, so we have everything now. We have created completely. Let's increase this, have more data, more than 3 years, and yeah, we can also change this because this has to be okay. This one to be like this, has to be like this, and this has to be like this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this this section. We created a more complex dashboard with a lot of graphs, including also pivot tables and slicers, and we also saw some application using pictures and connected pictures to ranges or other charts or images, and display this according to the values in a slicer. So I think that you have enough inputs now to create your own dashboards, and I wish you a great success with your dashboards. Okay, in this session you get a lot of information to create a dashboard which is complete with all the functionalities, with all the possibilities. We saw charts, pivot table with charts, pivot table with pivot charts, and we saw also images which are connected to pivot tables or other charts or other data. Okay, so this, I think it was a very complete example of dashboard.